Hi guys! Today we are learning how to recover a permanently deleted Gmail account. First of all, unlock your phone and open the Google app or any browser on your device. Make sure your internet connection is working properly because the recovery process needs an online connection. Now tap on the search bar and type Google Account Recovery. After searching, you will see different results related to recovering your Gmail account. Usually, the official Google recovery page appears at the top, so open that carefully. Once the search results appear, tap on the first official Google website. This page will open Google Accounts help and recovery options for deleted accounts. Don't worry if it looks confusing at first because we only need a few simple steps from here. Now scroll down a little until you find the option called Recover Your Google Account or in Gmail. This section helps users recover accounts that were deleted, hacked, or inaccessible. So simply tap on that recovery link to continue. Here, enter the Gmail address that you want to recover. Make sure you type the correct email because Google will use it to verify your account information. After entering the email, tap on Next to move forward. Now enter your old password that you remember for this Gmail account. Even if it's an older password, it can still help Google confirm that the account belongs to you. After entering it, tap Next and follow any additional verification steps shown on the screen. If your details are correct, Google may successfully recover your deleted Gmail account. Sometimes you may also need to verify using your phone number or recovery email for extra security. So just follow the instructions carefully, and your Gmail account should be restored. And that's how you can recover a permanently deleted Gmail account step by step using your phone. As long as the account is still recoverable and you remember some old details, there's a good chance you can get access back. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below for more easy and useful tutorials.